Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G06 Power, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways of activating this option. The first one is more user-friendly because it appears in regular settings, and the second one is actually hidden in the developer options. So let's start with the user-friendly one. Let's go to the settings first of all, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find this option, System Updates. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got this option which is called Smart Updates, and you can simply turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, right here, and your device will automatically bring you to this option, to more options actually, which you can customize to make the smart updates even better and well suited for you. So here we can choose a start time where we wish our updates will happen. So for example, at night, which is the best option. So we can pick from those presets from 1 to 3, 2 to 4, and 3 to 5 a.m. Or you can custom time, so you can choose the start and the end time on your own. It's completely up to you. And here in advanced, you've got also the option to apply it to all software updates. Simply tap on the switcher to turn this option on. So this is how to do it in the regular settings. And the second way is to use the developer options, which is a more advanced option, and you won't even notice that the update happened. So what we have to do in the settings, scroll all the way down again and go to About Phone. Then we have to scroll down and go to Device Identifiers and localize the number called build number, and keep tapping on it until you see the information that you're in the developer mode. Now let's go back to the general list of the settings and go to the system. Here we have to go to developer options and scroll down a little bit to find this option which is called automatic system updates, and simply turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.